Hi, I'm Scott with Stan's Automotive. Have you ever had a question about your auto repair, but you were afraid to ask? We're dedicated to making sure you can drive your vehicle for as long as possible with the least amount of expenses. This brief video provides you with information designed to help you make the right decisions about your auto repair.
The AC compressor is considered the heart of the air conditioning system, since it pumps compressed refrigerant throughout the system, and it plays a critical role in the complex process that makes sure that your car stays cool when you want it to. Turning on your AC on a regular basis can help keep parts lubricated and running smoothly. But if it takes too long to cool down the cabin, an inspection may be necessary. Ask your service advisor to have your AC compressor checked when there is a significant change in the quality of air, or there's just no cold air coming out of the vents. Without a functioning compressor, the AC system will not be able to create cool air in the summer and might not be able to defrost in the winter. If the compressor fails, the rest of the system fails with it, as there's no way to move the refrigerant through the system. If ignored long enough, you may need to replace the clutch or even the entire compressor. From a safety standpoint, there's little safety risk, but the air in the cabin can become uncomfortable. From an environmental point of view, there is significant impact because leaking refrigerant is poisonous and could be ingested by children, pets, and other animals.
Please call or go to our website and make an appointment today.